A holiday is coming up, and we need to decorate our home for it. So now we're going to make a garland together. We'll be making the garland out of red, white, and blue paper. To make one element of the garland, we need to start by making an accordion fold. An accordion fold. We've already made this together many times. So, we've successfully made one accordion fold, and now we really need to carefully fold it precisely in half. And right here, we absolutely need to glue it securely. We carefully apply a small amount of glue to the precise center and then firmly stick the pieces together. Now, we have created this unique kind of accordion structure, and we will proceed to gently open up one of the end parts. The first one is ready. We can stick a star on it. Let's take one. Now, let's meticulously proceed with the identical procedure. Carefully select a durable string, ensuring we intentionally leave a considerably long and ample tail extending from it. Subsequently, we procure a reliable stapler, positioning it precisely. We've made a garland that you can use to decorate your home, and it will look festive for the holiday. Everyone loves fireworks, and now we're going to make a special device so we can launch them at home. Fireworks. For this, we'll need a regular cardboard tube and a balloon. First, we take the balloon and inflate it. Then we tie off this end. There, that's a nice tight knot. Now we need to cut off this part, and then we take the tube, and we put the balloon onto the tube like this. So, now what we need to do is secure it. Well, I really want to thoroughly decorate all of the space, so let's carefully wrap it with our colorful, decorative tape here too. And I also want to add some sparkling stars to complete the look. What do you think of this rocket for launching? I think kids will have a lot of fun playing with this toy. Happy holidays! Now we're going to make a fun toy, a pinwheel. We need strips like these. We'll also need a stick, a wooden one, and a sheet of paper. Any kind will do. We need to cut out 4 circles. In the precise center of these circles, you will need to make a small hole. Try your very best to make it perfectly right in the very exact center. Now we take the strips of paper, alternating the colors, and glue them on. Like this. And now, let's carefully take another distinct circle and completely cover it. Subsequently, we will then proceed to take the very next circle. We spread glue on it the same way and start assembling. And we glue it so that the holes line up. So now we have this little blank piece. Now we need a stick. We take it and poke it through, just like this. Now, we need to securely attach one end of this here, fastening it to the stick. For this task, we will definitely need some adhesive tape. And now on the inside here, we need to do the same thing. There, but this part here is still movable. This part here is fixed really tightly. Let's test our pinwheel. For this, we take it whoop and spin it. Even our youngest American citizens want to make something for this holiday. We'll need cardboard or any thick paper. And also this kind of nifty tool for cutting out circles. Be sure to cut on a special cutting mat. You'll find all the links to the materials and tools we use in the description below our video. Now, we need to make a slightly smaller diameter. Place it very carefully in the exact center once again, and then make another complete and deliberate turn. We've got a little ring like this. Now we're going to turn this ring into a fun craft. You can use pom-poms, or you can use stars and stripes like these. So, what are we going to do? First, we'll take some tape. Now we've got a sticky surface here. Now we can decorate this surface however we like. For example, a little one can take some pom-poms and stick them on here. We can also add some stars. This is how it turned out. Now let's get the strips ready. All right. Now we're going to stick these around in a circle. Let's start sticking our strips on now then. And there you have it, a fun little craft we made. Even the youngest citizen of America can handle this. Subscribe, give us a like, and stay tuned for more beautiful and interesting crafts.